Welcome to Knowledge Base. We have a simple question here that says simplify root 5 minus 2 all over root 5 plus 2 plus root 5 plus 2 all over root 5 minus 2. This is a surd, or this question is under surd. So we have this as the question. The first thing we want to do is to find the LCM. The LCM in this case is simply the product of the denominators because there is nothing in common. So we can take the LCM as root 5 plus 2 times root 5 minus 2. And that is what we have at the denominator here. Then we are going to simplify the numerator or evaluate the numerator using the LCM. Root 5 plus 2 would divide the denominator and cancel out this, and we will be left with this. So root 5 minus 2 will multiply root 5 minus 2 at the numerator to give us this times itself, plus root 5 minus 2 will knock off root 5 minus 2 and we'll be left with root 5 plus 2, which will multiply the numerator root 5 plus 2 to give us root 5 plus 2 times root 5 plus 2. From here, we're going to simplify the numerator and denominator. Now let's look at the denominator first. If you look at the denominator, you will see that they are similar except that this is positive and this is negative. This kind of expansion is what we call the difference of two squares. It means if you try to compound or simplify the denominator, this is what it will become. It will become the difference of two squares. And this is it. You take the first number, root 5, square it. Negative is difference, so you put a minus. You take the second number, 2, and square it. This is what we mean by difference of two squares. The square of 5, difference, the square of 2, difference of two squares. So when you have this, you can expand it into this. And when you have this, you can compound it into this, difference of two squares. Now we are done with the denominator. Let's look at how to simplify the numerator. We are just going to expand. Root 5 times root 5 is just like saying root 5 squared. The square root will cancel the square root and we'll be left with 5. Root 5 times negative 2 gives us negative 2 root 5. Again, negative 2 times root 5 gives us negative 2 root 5. Negative 2 times negative 2 gives us positive 4. Then this plus is this one here. Again, root 5 times root 5 will give us 5 because the square root times the square root, they cancel out and we just pick the number 5. 2 times root 5 gives us 2 root 5, positive. Again, 2 times, root 5 times 2 gives us another 2 root 5, positive. Then 2 times 2 gives us positive 4. And that is the numerator done. At this point, we want to simplify the numerator further because the denominator seems to be simple enough. We are just going to square and take out the square root. So let's look at how to deal with the numerator. Let's look at something here. If I have negative 2 plus 2, it becomes 0. It means a negative number plus that number gives 0. Let's apply that here. Negative 2 root 5 and positive 2 root 5 should give us 0. So negative 2 root 5, we take out positive 2 root 5. Negative 2 root 5, again, we take out positive 2 root 5. And we will be left with 5 plus 4 plus 5 plus 4 at the numerator. So that becomes 5 plus 4 plus 5 plus 4 all over square root 5 squared. The square cancels the square root. We are left with 5. Of course, 2 raised to power 2 is 4. 5 minus 4 is 1. So anything we get from the numerator is the answer. And that is 5 plus 4, 9, plus 5, that is 14, plus 4, 18. And the answer to the question is 18. Very simple, and this is the answer. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please try this simple one. Simplify this and put your answer in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching this video and hope to see you in the next video. Please do well to like and share this video to your friends and family. Thank you.